latest tech news is that Google is starting to open up their access to BARD, which is their chatbot AI and a competitor of the ChatGPT. So here let's just see, try to open, let's see if we can use it now. So as you can see here, it's not yet supported in my country. Use BARD, let's see this one. Sign in to BARD. Let's see if we can sign in. So I'm just going to use a VPN to access this. So based on this article, they only support from these two countries, so US and UK. So I'll try to run a VPN. So now let's go back, sign into BARD, this one. Let's refresh, see if we can sign in or use this BARD. Okay, join, I think. Always would like to join. Just yes, I'm in. Unfortunately, I think we can't still use this, so we need to wait for the email. So as you can see here, thanks for your interest in BARD, your receiving, but here, as you can see, we have details and what BARD can do. So can do brainstorm ideas, typical plans. So same thing with ChatGPT. So here, check the preferences, view other apps. So we can still use this for now since we are still on the waiting list. But once we receive that email, then I'll just create another video and show you how to use, or let's try to use this chatbot from Google. So yeah, so thing is, if you are not from US or UK, you can't use the Google BARD. So I'm in the Philippines and unfortunately we can't use it, but since I have VPN, I was able to join their waitlist. So yeah, we'll just create a new video next time, or once I receive that notification from Google.